Another stock that has been making rounds is Vodafone Idea. Now, the board of Vodafone Idea yesterday approved a proposal to raise 1980 crore rupees from entities belonging to promoter entity Vodafone Group PLC through a preferential issue. Vodafone Idea will issue shares to Vodafone Group entities Omega Telecom Holdings and Usha Martin Telematics worth up to 1280 crore rupees and 700 crore rupees respectively. The issuance will involve 1.75 billion equity shares with a face value of rupees 10 each. Now, the issue price will be rupees 11.28. Avni, let's look at the stock. It has faced some bit of a price pressure. In fact, if you look at the stock year to date, it has fallen over 50%, 52% rather. But again, nothing coming in the way of this fresh equity and the fresh capital that they are raising. The stock has not really convinced investors. In fact, even in a 5-day period, the stock is down. But some bit of a momentum building up in today's trade. The stock is up about 0.5%. Has really stabilized around that 8 rupee mark. Do you think if it can spend some time there, it could perhaps make a move towards that 14 sort of levels that we had seen just a couple of months ago?
Absolutely, Suyash. As you said, the stock is not really, I mean, all the good news also, it's unable to sustain in spite of all the good news in the market. And basically, the sentiment has gone really bad on the stock. And
Tata Motors.
investors are just looking to get out of their stuck positions at higher levels, which they had purchased earlier. So I don't see the stock going above 9 rupees in any case. Any good news today also, the news has been good, but in spite of that, after opening, we're seeing a lot of selling pressure, a lot of booking out. So at every rise, investors are going to look for exit opportunities, and we could in fact see a downfall up to around 6.5 again. So use any kind of pullback rally to get away from the stock, I mean to exit your stock. And there are many better plays in this segment where we'll find momentum in coming few days.